Welcome, my friends, to my channel Las Delicias de la Cocina. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Today we are going to be making a delicious avocado salsa. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes. The ingredients that we are going to be using to make our avocado salsa are a small piece of onion, 4 branches of cilantro, 1 serrano chili, 1 jalapeno chili, 1 avocado, half a lemon, salt, and 1 cup of water. These are going to be all the ingredients we will be using today. We are now going to prepare our salsa in our blender. We are going to add our chili jalapeno, chili serrano, next our cilantro, then our onion, our avocado, and lemon juice. One teaspoon of salt or to your taste. And lastly, we are going to add water. It is ready to be blended. Meanwhile, our mixture is ready. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up and share it. As you can see, our mixture is ready, so our avocado salsa is ready to enjoy. I hope you liked this recipe. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes. Also, comment below what other salsas you would like to see in my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos and comment below what other recipes you would like to see. Don't forget to check out my other videos.